Hi everyone, I wanted to do a quick video on how to increase the decimals. So let's say you're working in Excel and you get a number here. Now if I click on this number, I can look up here and see that, oh, hey, that should be a bunch of decimals after that. That's not 3, that's actually 2.56, which can make a difference when we're working with critical values and everything. So what we want to do is when you click on this cell, we're going to go up to the home ribbon. So just make sure you're clicking on the home ribbon if you're not already there. Now in the numbers section here, you'll see these buttons that are 0.0, 0.00, 0.0, and then 0.0. So this one increases your decimal place and this one decreases it. So if we want to increase our decimal, just add some more decimals in there. You can just keep clicking that button to your heart's content. If that's too much, you can decrease. I know when we're talking about salary on deliverables 1, 3, and 4, on our answers, we often want 2 decimal places. So just make sure that you have increased this enough to 2 decimal places as well. Okay, so that is how you increase your decimals. Fun fact.